In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, you just gotta go over to your browser of choice firstly, and then just type in WhatsApp download. Once you do, it's gonna say download WhatsApp. Then all you're gonna do is download it to Windows, and you can download it from the Microsoft Store. So what I want to go ahead and do is I want to go over to the Microsoft Store, and I can just type that in right now because it will be on your Windows device. Then just open up the Microsoft Store. From here, all you got to do is go to the top and type in WhatsApp. Once you do, it's going to show up like this. All you got to do is go ahead and download it. Then once you go ahead and open up WhatsApp, it's going to basically just go ahead and show you pretty much everything you need to see. You're going to have to log in. You can either use a QR code for that, but if you don't have a QR code, you can just use your phone number. It's going to send a verification code to your phone number, and then you can log in, and these are some examples that you can use as well. And it's honestly really good. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other videos that we posted on this channel.